Hey everyone, I'm Andy T with the T Group.
I'm Sunny Gajar.
You're gonna love our newest listing, 18850 Blythswood Drive in Los Gatos, California. We're located at the back of a quiet cul-de-sac, and the house we have to show you today is absolutely stunning. Truly a modern architectural masterpiece. Now we're located in a place that I like to say has the best of three worlds. For any building department or permit needs, it's overseen by the Santa Clara Building Department. You have a prestigious Los Gatos address, and of course you have award-winning Saratoga schools. Saratoga High, Redwood Middle School, and your choice, Argonne Elementary School, Foothill Elementary School, or Saratoga Elementary School on Oak Street. Now the house itself features 5 bedrooms plus an office, 5.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, over 4,400 square feet of combined living space. That breaks down to about 600 square feet in the guest house and over 3,800 square feet in the main house. The lot itself is over 1.2 acres, and you can see it's completely flat and you're only limited by your imagination.
There's so much to love about this property, from the drive up under a beautiful canopy of trees to this modern, elegant architecture, an open concept floor plan with tall picture windows capturing breathtaking views, this natural setting with mature trees, large variety of fruit trees, a bountiful vegetable garden, and multiple entertaining spaces outside that wrap around the living area, giving you an ultimate inside-outside living.
When you step inside this gorgeous home, you're going to see beautiful engineered hardwood floors, soaring cathedral ceilings, stunning valley views, and there's even this great succulent garden in the backyard. I can't wait to show you inside. Let's look around and take a closer look.
Welcome to 18850 Blythswood Road, in one of the most prestigious Los Gatos Montessorino neighborhood. This modern elegance has a main house and a detached guest house, situated on nearly 1.2 acres of flat land. It has an open concept floor plan, light and bright, with numerous tall picture windows capturing breathtaking views throughout the home. Towering cathedral ceilings, a number of V-Lux solar-powered skylights with blackout blinds, recessed lighting, white plank Italian oak hardwood, and designer finishes throughout. A formal foyer with picturesque window invites you in. Formal living has soaring vaulted ceiling. A glass fireplace with sparkling glass media is dressed up with a stunning metal cylinder stack reaching up to the skylight. Formal dining with a dramatic teardrop chandelier opens to the living room. Both formal living and dining areas have sliding door access to outside patios. The library also opens to the formal living through double glass doors. Gourmet kitchen is stunning, with an expansive center island with waterfall design, custom walnut and glass white cabinets, granite counters, and designer tile backsplash. We have Wolf 6-burner and griddle gas stove with double oven, a built-in sub-zero fridge, and meal dishwasher. A large pantry provides a secondary work area with plenty of cabinets, quartz counters, and a wine fridge. The picture windows in the kitchen and breakfast nook offer an amazing view. Great room opens to the kitchen with a custom-designed gas fireplace and sliding glass door, access to the outside entertaining area. Ground floor powder room is conveniently located near all the living areas. An ideal ground floor ensuite bedroom has a large custom-designed walk-in closet and a modern bath with custom cabinetry, tile floor, skylight, and glass shower enclosure dressed with a tile surround. primary suite has soaring cathedral ceiling and multiple windows with stunning mountain views. Walk into an expansive and elegant closet with custom designed cabinets, built-in shelvings, and pull-outs. The primary bath is simply gorgeous, with a standalone tub overlooking the peaceful surrounding and an expansive stall shower, custom walnut cabinetry, and heated tile floors. All auxiliary ensuite bedrooms have large custom designed walk-in closets, custom walnut cabinetry in the bathrooms, quartz counters, and heated tile floors. We have a spacious indoor laundry room with plenty of cabinet space, a utility sink, and of course, another gorgeous picture window. I love the detached guest house with fresh interior paint, oak hardwood floors, high ceilings, its own kitchenette with custom cabinetry, and a modern bathroom with designer finishes. There is so much to appreciate about the exterior grounds. As you enter the automated security gate, you'll notice the expansive driveway, ample parking, a beautiful natural setting with mature trees, a large variety of fruit trees, a beautiful vegetable garden, watchable court, and numerous patio seating areas connecting to the inside living. connecting you to the inside living spaces, providing an ultimate inside-outside living experience. We have a 3-car garage with new modern garage door and Tesla EV charger. Some of the additional features include smart app landscape lighting, own solar panels, and multi-zone heating and cooling. This beautiful estate offers utmost privacy and prime location. Minutes from downtown Los Gatos and Saratoga, close proximity to highways 9, 17, and 85, easy access to many hiking trails, the Sona Park, Villa Montalvo, Hakuni Gardens, and many more. This is a rare opportunity and a must-see.
Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of 18850 Blythswood Drive in Los Gatos, California. If you have any questions about this beautiful home, would like to set up a private tour, or any questions about Los Gatos real estate, please feel free to give us a call. I'm Andy T with the T Group.
I'm Sunny Guitar.
See you soon.
See you soon.